Meaning of hickey.
hickey,
Hickey.
hickey,
Hickey. A hickey is a red or purple mark on the skin caused by suction, usually on the neck. It is often referred to as a love bite or passion mark and can be a sign of intimacy with a partner. However, hickeys can also be seen as embarrassing or inappropriate by some people, especially in professional or formal settings. In rare cases, hickeys can cause more severe injuries such as blood clots or nerve damage. It is important to communicate with partners and set boundaries regarding physical affection to prevent any discomfort or harm.